This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about the best settings for the Asus ROG Swift OLED PG32. So let's get started with the first way. You want to head over to your system settings. Go ahead and click on System, navigate through Display, scroll all the way down until you find the Advanced Display option. From here, you want to navigate through the refresh rates and you just want to choose the highest number possible. Basically, the higher the number, the smoother the monitor is. So just select the highest number possible on this menu. For the next one, you want to set your OSD controls. Now, basically, we can access this by navigating through the buttons on our monitor. Most likely, it's going to be the joystick beside the monitor or at the bottom of it. So just tap on those buttons and this window will show up. We want to apply the following setting. Basically, for refresh rate, it's going to be 240 Hz. For the adaptive sync, it's going to be on. The game visual mode is going to be set to racing mode. Basically, it has the best overall preset. For HDR mode, you want to set it to the gaming HDR. For brightness, you want to set this to 30 or 50 because OLED doesn't need high brightness. For contrast, 80 or 90 can work. Default OLED tuning is already optimal. For color temperature, you want to set this to warm or 6500K and sharpness at 0 or 20. Now for gaming setting, you want to set your variable overdrive to off because OLED doesn't really need it. For the VRR or the G-Sync compatible, you want to turn this to on. The DAS or the low latency mode is going to be on and the uniform brightness is going to be on also. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.